Hi everyone. Today was a big day of box deliveries at my house. So you are going to see me looking like this and wearing these clothes for a few videos. But if you're new to my channel, I am addicted to subscriptions. So as soon as these things show up, I have to unbox them right away. So you always get me looking like I'm looking. So today I have two different types of boxes. I've got my monthly Allure Beauty Box, and then I have my monthly Farmer's Finds box. Now, what's very interesting is you're starting to see this box now popping up on other channels. And I'm pretty sure I know why. This is the monthly, and I have subscribed to the monthly. I have subscribed to the quarterly. But maybe about, oh goodness, 6 weeks ago, I decided I'm going to sign up again. So I signed up in, and I kid you not, like a couple days later, I get contacted by a marketing company wanting to know would I be interested in receiving a box for review. And I said, ironically, I just re-signed back up. But if you want to send me items, I will take the items. Well, I never heard back from them. Probably because I already had subscribed to the box. But I am now seeing this box show up on other channels. So that's the only reason I can think is because of that marketing campaign. But it doesn't matter. The Farmer's Finds box, what it is it's items that they have picked from different farmers markets throughout the United States. They have the monthly box, and then they have the quarterly. Now, down in the details below is all of the pricing for both of these. Now, I did sign up for the monthly when, like, I was going back and forth on it because I always feel like the quarterly, you definitely get your value, and I really enjoy it. The monthly for me has just kind of been lackluster, but I went ahead and signed up for it again. Also, this one, I actually had to reach out to them because I signed up for both at the same time. I didn't know like what their schedule was for when they would ship out their what do you call it, quarterly. But I did expect to receive this box before I was charged for the next month. I mean, it had been, gosh, I'll put right up here the exact timing from when I first bought the box and paid for it to when I got the second email charging me again. So I reached out to them, and I think their excuse was maybe warehouse or shipping or something like that. I don't know, because I ran into issues with a different box, but it still took maybe 2 weeks to get to me after that. So I'm hoping this isn't a sign of what their customer service. Can you hear this? What's wrong, Xander? What's the problem? You don't know? So Xander, my black cat, when he gets a toy or a Q-tip, he will carry it around his mouth forever, and he cries the whole time. So we'll wake up in the middle of the night and he's doing this. So he just carried in a ball and set it down. So hopefully he doesn't continue, but I keep getting sidetracked. But let's talk about this box. Let's see, I believe you're supposed to get, is it 2 to 3 maybe items in here? So we got 2. So let's see. We have got some really good, I think it was marshmallows before, and some other snacky stuff. All right, so the first item is the Crimson Drip Taco Style Hot Sauce Leopard. Okay, so that's the first item. Now I will say, okay, you know, I'm looking for other kind of things from farmers markets, but okay. Next item we got, let's see here. Oops. Another hot sauce. This is the Bird Blood Cranberry Habanero Hot Sauce, the Sauce Leopard. These are both 5 fluid ounces. So see, I mean, I don't know if I'm going to continue the monthly, to be completely honest. I know I have one more coming because I paid for it. But with only getting like limited items, and why I wish they would have given us 2 different, not 2 hot sauces, you know, from the same company. So yeah, I don't know if I'm going to stick with the monthly, because I really do prefer the quarterly, but that's what we got for this month. And to be honest, my next box should be coming like within a week or so. So yeah. All right, you guys. Now, oops, we're moving on to the Allure Beauty Box. And what did we get this month? All right, so the little pamphlet here. Okay, so I'm opening it up. Bunch of goodies. This is one of the boxes that you always get your value. First item coming out, well, this definitely is an item for me because I don't have that much hair. This is the flat clip reinvented. So it's got, show you here, it's got bendable teeth, strong hold, and an all-day comfort. And on the back it says $14.99, and it looks like the brand is something Force or Teleties, maybe? Yeah, Teleties. Say goodbye to breakable clips. All right, and on the back it is $14.99 is what the pricing is. So I'm going to move these to the side so that people don't possibly get confused that we got hot sauce in this box. All right, next little item. What is this? Half Magic eyeshadow singles. Okay. Let's see, what is this? Well, that is cute. And it's paper. Yeah, this is paper. Okay, that's cute. So eco-friendly. It's a shimmer. Let's see what it says. It's a sparkle duochrome chameleon color to recycle or compost compact. Remove pan from the paper and then add pan to, oh. Okay, so apparently you must be able to take this and put it into a palette of your own. But I'm really looking to see if they give us more information about this, like being eco-friendly. And let's see here. Packaging from something, but too small for me. But yeah, there we go. And from Half Magic. Next, this is Commodity Milk. It is 5 mils. Oh, it must be a scent because it says Scent Space Expressive for me and the mini around me. Talks about the brand philosophy. All right, let's open and see what we have got here. And is it going to be a scent I like? Okay, there we go. I don't think so. I'll spray it once, but I don't think it's going to be. No, it's too earthy for me. Yeah, it's too earthy for me. But doesn't matter. You know, you're not going to like everything in these boxes. And I do see at least one item in here that I am going to really like. So I'm going to grab it right now. It is by Medic 8. I really like Medic 8. Liquid peptides. It is a serum. So here it is. Let's see if there's anything on here. A hydrating serum infused with 10 potent peptides to help improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin C, sunscreen, and vitamin A. So let's check this out. Do I already have this? This looks really familiar. I might already have this, you guys. I have to look. But if I do, that's okay. It's a very nice brand and product to have in this box, especially at the low price that we pay for the box. Okay, next item. This is, oh, special offer. I don't know what that is. So it's Dr. Brid C. It's a barrier defense basic cream, hydrate and firm. It is 20 mils. I don't know. It just says, I don't know what the limit one is for the QR code. Yeah, I don't know what that is. So let's get this out of the box if I can. Let's see here. Well, wow, that is, okay, I'm just going to have to, unfortunately. I don't like to do this, especially if I don't plan on keeping them. But you got to get in the box, though, to check it out. Okay. Oh, goodness gracious, this is sealed well. So, yeah, what is this? Okay. It's a cute little container here. Is there any more information? It's dermatologically tested on sensitive skin. I'm hoping, is this the box you always find out the value of the items? It might be, I can't remember. Yeah. Okay, it's a barrier defense cream. I'm not seeing anything on here about SPF though. So, yeah, gonna have to figure out more about that. And then we have one last item, and this is Come Back Allure Beauty. Yeah. I'm assuming, is this a lip product maybe? Vegan, cruelty-free, clean ingredients, sustainable packaging, bio-based wand. Oh, it's mascara. Achieving stunning panoramic lashes with our washable formula adds buildable volume and definition. I don't wear mascara. But yeah, there's the box. So definitely worth your value. There's tons of items in here. Now, yes, we do get some pricing information. Yes, didn't the pamphlet like used to be like half this size before, I think? So let's check this out. So we have here Half Magic eyeshadow, singles and shades. I think maybe there could have been, we could have gotten one out of 3 different shades there. And retail value for this one item at this size, $15 for that item. That's pricey, don't you think, for one little thing? Medigate, the liquid peptides, $68. So, told ya, you're getting your value. The ATHR Beauty, the Comeback Mascara, this was a value of $28. Dr. Bird C. going to read about that item right there. It says, if your skin has been asking for a reset, this barrier cream is a good place to start. And it's a K-beauty cream, combines cotyledon ceramides, calming niacinamide, and hydrating squalane to soothe skin and help lock in moisture before dryness, tightness, and irritation develop. Okay, and then let me make sure I got the size here, because usually they tell you like if it's not the size, but this $19.99. Then we have the Talatize. This was a surprise selection, and it looks like you could have gotten 4 different colors. It looks like a black, a gray, and maybe a beige-ish color. And retail value is $12.99 for the medium and $14.99 for the large. This one is the large because there is the price on the back that says $14.99. Oopsie daisy. All right, moving along here, we have the one. Yep. So the commodity, we got milk. You could have also gotten the scent juice, and 10 mil is $34. We got a 5 mil here, so put that in half. $17 for that. It's another pricey thing, isn't it? Yeah. And there you go. That is what we got for this box for this month, the Allure Beauty Box. So 100% you cannot, I mean the value, you can't argue with it. Is it a good box for me this month? If I don't have this, 100%. This is the only other item that I would use. So what did they say that was again? $19.99. Okay. If this is the only item that I like, I'm not getting, or that I keep, I'm not getting my value. But the value is here 100%. So there you go. So 2 unboxes, 2 completely different themes, and hope you enjoy it. So down in the details is going to be the pricing for which I paid, and also links if these things are something you're interested in, and you want to check them out. And there you have it. So as always, thank you for tuning in and watching me. Would love for you to subscribe if you're not a subscriber, but otherwise just thank you for tuning in. So I got more boxes coming your way, so be on the lookout. Bye, everyone.